This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. Strong, durable, and dependable. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.